Minnie, Minnie, where are you? See, I brought fruits for you. Jimin came to living room. Jinny Angi, I'm here. Why are you shouting? First drink water. Give him a glass of water. Jin gulped the water. Thanks, Minnie. Looked at him. You're sweating too much. What happened? Come here and sit. Jimin sat on the couch. Nothing, Hangi. I was only preparing food. Jin, why are you preparing food? I already prepared the lunch. Jimin, I know Hang, but Cookie wants to eat special dish. He told you yesterday to prepare it in today's lunch, but you forget it, so I thought to prepare it. Jin, oh yeah, yesterday he told me. I don't know how it slipped from my mind. It's all happened because of Juni. His car stopped at the midway and he wasn't getting any cab, so I had to drop him to his office. In all this, I forgot it. But thanks, Minnie, you prepared it. Otherwise, Cookie will put whole house on his head and he started crying too. Then became sulky. Don't know for how many days. Jimin, no need for thanks, Yang. Cookie isn't only your son. Jin, when did I say he is my son? I am his appa only for namesake. He sticks with you and Jungi more than us. But now sit here and relax. I will see the food. Jimin, but Jin ignored him. I am cutting the fruits and giving it to you. Eat it. Left. Jin gave Jimin a plate full fruit and he was eating it while watching TV. Jin was preparing the food. Suddenly a cute baby ran to him while hanging his school bag and chanting, Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Jimin looked at him and smiled. Cookie. Cook jumped on him. Minnie, Minnie, you know, today Cookie's teacher gave Cookie a star. Cookie got full marks in today's test, na? Jimin kissed on his forehead. Very good, my Cookie is so intelligent, just like his dada. Your dada will be so happy to know this. Cook showed him his funny smile. Now call to Uni and tell him to bring big chocolate for Cookie. Uni promised to Cookie that if Cookie will get full marks, then Uni will buy big chocolate for Cookie. Jimin, wait, let me call him. Cook, yeah, remind this to that sleepy cat, otherwise Uni will forget. Jimin, Jin came to living room after hearing his voice. Yeah, you brat, whom are you calling sleepy cat? Cookie, Appa, we have only one sleepy cat, that small Uni. Jin, shut up, he's your uncle, don't call him sleepy cat. Now go and change your clothes first. Cook, Utti, Cookie is going. Appa always takes the sleepy cat side. Held Jimin's hand. Come, Minnie, change Cookie's clothes. Jin, leave his hand. Minnie isn't going anywhere. Cook looked at him. Then how will Cookie change his clothes? Jin, Cookie is now big boy. Cookie should change his clothes by himself. Cook, who said this? Cookie isn't a big boy. Cookie is a cute little baby, na? Jin, no, Cookie isn't a baby anymore. Cook, no, Cookie will always be baby. Minnie, let's go. Made grabby hands. Minnie, pick Cookie. Cookie is so tired. Jin, no, Minnie isn't going anywhere. Minnie will first finish all the fruit. Cook, whoosh, looked at the plate and put all the fruits in his mouth and started chewing. Now there is no fruit. Minnie, let's go. Jin pulled his ear. Why did you eat the fruit? It was for Minnie, not for you. Cook, oh, for Appa. Minnie and Cookie are same, na? So if Minnie will eat a cookie, it's same thing. Now leave Cookie's soft ear. If Appa wanna hold it, then hold that sleepy cat's small ear and Dada's big ear. Jin crossed arm. Aren't you talking too much nowadays? Cookie has mouth to speak, na? Cook is cheating. Appa always scold poor Cookie. Poor Cookie will tell to Dada to bring new and sweet Appa for Cookie. This Appa is only scolding. Jin. Then first I will beat your Dada by my pink frying pan. After that you. Jimin. Let it be, Hank. He is just a baby. You serve the lunch. We both will pack soon. Jin, yeah, I spoil him because of you and Yoongi. He became this much a spoiled brat. Cook, Cookie isn't a brat. Cookie is a good boy. Jin, wait, let me bring my pink slippers. Cook screamed, ah, Minnie, let's go quickly before Appa will hit poor Cookie. With that, Jimin ran to his room with Cookie. It's their daily drama. Cookie is Namjoon's only son. He is 4 years old. Joon and Yoongi are brothers. Jimin is Yoongi's husband. Cookie is raised up by Yoonmin more than Namjoon. They both pampered him a lot. Whenever Namjoon scolded or punished him, they both always came in between and protect him. Cookie's apple of eye of everyone. He slept with Yoonmin. Namjoon are his parents, but only for namesake. If he wants anything, then he told to Yoonmin because he knows Namjoon will never fulfill his wrong desires, but Yoonmin do. But it doesn't mean he didn't love Namjoon. He loves them so much, but both Namjoon never had any problem with this. Time skipped after some times. Cookie is sitting in the living room and doing his homework. There was no one. Cookie was looking sad. Why? Let's go and check. Yoongi threw outside the window. Shh! Cookie! Cookie! Cook looked here and there. Cookie can hear Yoongi's voice, but Cookie can't see Yoongi. Cutely rubbed his eyes. Are Cookie's eyes damaged? Yoongi face palmed himself. Cookie, look at the window and don't shout. Cook looked at the window and went to him. Yoongi! Yoongi whispered, shh, don't shout, Cookie. Cook whispered back, oh, Cookie won't shout, but what is Yoongi doing here? Yoongi showed him his ball. See, I brought a new ball. Come, let's play. Cook looked at the ball and became happy. Cookie's so happy. Wait, Cookie's coming. Saw his notebooks and became sad. Yoongi saw his sad pout. Cookie, what happened? Why are you sad? Cook, Cookie wanna play, but Dada told to Cookie to complete his homework first. And Cookie's teacher gave Cookie lots of homework. How can poor Cookie complete that? Yoongi, teachers are so bad. They always give homeworks. But don't worry, tomorrow I will go to your school and talk with your teachers and tell them to give Cookie less homework. Cook, Yoongi will talk with Cookie's teacher tomorrow, na. But Cookie wanna play today. Dada will scold for Cookie, na. Yoongi, idea. Where is Hank? Cook, Dada went to his room to bring his file. Yoongi, okay, now go to your place. I'm coming to help you. Cook, but how can Yoongi help Cookie when Dada told to Minnie and Yoongi to not come to Cookie? Yoongi, you just wait here, Cookie. Cook came back to his place and again he started doing his homework. Soon Yoongi crawled to living room and went to Cookie. Yoongi tapped on Cookie's leg. Cookie! Cook was ready to scream, but he held his mouth. Shh! Don't shout! See, I'm your Yoongi! Removed his hand. Cook looked at him with big blue eyes. Yoongi, what are you doing here? If Dada will see you, then Yoongi will get good scoldings. Yoongi, I came here to help Cookie. Now give me your notebooks. I will complete all the homework. You will just keep your eyes on his tears. Tell me if Yang come. Cook gave him his notebooks and pencils. Otti! Yoongi started doing his homework and Cookie was keeping his eyes on the stairs. Soon he completed his all the homework and gave the notebooks to him. But unfortunately, he didn't go from there. June came there and sat on the couch. Yoongi hid himself behind the couch. June saw Cookie. Why are you sitting like this? Complete your homework. No matter how much you cry or begging to play, you aren't going to anywhere without completing your homework. Cookie knows this, Dada. That's why Cookie completed his all the homeworks fast. Gave his notebook to him. Now Cookie is going to play. June, shocked. You completed all the homeworks this early? Usually you took minimum 1 hour to complete one subject homework, and today you completed your homeworks this easily? Strange. What is strange? Cookie did homeworks fast now. Does Dada know how much Cookie's little hands are hurting? June suspiciously looked at him. Aren't you behaving dramatic today? Hey, Cookie's hands are broken while working, and Dada said it's drama. Cookie's poor heart ached. Put his hands on his tummy. June looked at him. By the way, that is tummy, not heart. Heart is in chest, not in tummy. Cookie's heart hurts this much that it comes in Cookie's tummy. June, such a dramatic kid I got. Started checking his homework. Whatever Dada thinks, now is Cookie's playtime and Cookie's going. June, mad. Stop right there and tell me, where is that cat? Looked at him with scared eyes. Cat? We don't have any cat. June, I'm talking about your savior cat. Where is he? Here is no cat. Did Dada forget that Dada stopped Uni and Minnie to come in living room when Cookie is studying? June stood up and pulled Yoongi's ear and dragged him outside. What are you doing here? How many times should I need to tell you to stay away from Cookie? When he was studying, can't you understand the simple thing at once? Today you didn't only come here, you completed his all the homeworks too. Tell me, how many times should I remind you the importance of study? How can you complete his homework? Are you mute? Don't you have mouth to speak? Yoongi looked down. I'm sorry, Hang. I saw Cookie was sad, so I decided to help him. June, help? Seriously, Yoongi? You called it help? It's cheating. You taught him doing wrong things. Do you think it will good for him? June started scolding him and erased all the homework which he did and told the Cookie to do everything again by himself. It's nothing new. Yunmin loves Cookie so much they can do anything for him. Time skipped after few months. Few months passed like this. Cookie came more closer to Yunmin. Today everyone was so happy because Yunmin brought their newborn baby boy at home. While jumping, Dada, Appa, Yuni, Minnie. Cookie also wanna see the baby. Cookie wanna hold him. Jin looked at him. Cookie is so small to hold him. Jimin, it's okay, Hang. Let him see the baby. Sit on the couch and showed him newborn baby's face. See, Cookie, he is your younger brother. Cook saw him. He's so tiny and looked like Cash baby. Everyone started laughing at his statement. Cookie saw baby's mouth was open, so he was about to put his finger on his mouth, but June stopped and scolded him. June, Cookie, what are you doing? Baby's mouth is open now. It's a bad habit, right? That's why Cookie put his finger in his mouth. Jin, Cookie, he is a little baby na, so you can't touch him like this. First you have to clean your hands with sanitizer. Little baby is so weak, he will easily become sick, so don't touch his lips, mouth, eyes, ear and nose. He is so delicate right now, okay? Cook looked at him with big two eyes. Oh, can Cookie kiss the baby? June, no, you will hurt him. Cook, no Dada, Cookie won't hurt him, please. Yoongi, of course Cookie can, but kiss him like this only, kissed on his cheek, just like feather, okay? Cook, Utti, gently peeked on his cheek. Just then Yoongi taught him. Time skipped in the school. Cookie was so happy he became young now. He was happily distributing chocolates to his classmates and teachers. Cook gave chocolate. This is for you. Boy smiled. Thank you. But why is Cookie giving chocolates to us? Cookie became hungry now. Cookie's Minnie and Juni brought a little baby. He's so tiny and has soft cheeks. Boy, oh, I also have a baby. Cook looked at his sad face. Why are you sad? Aren't you happy to become hungry? Boy, no, I don't want any baby. Babies are so bad. They snatch our mama and dada. After they come, nobody loves us. Everyone only loves baby all the time. They only talk about baby. They don't have time for us. They won't play with us. They won't let us sleep with them. And you know what? First they snatch our mama and dada, then our clothes, then twice. After that, everyone forgets us. They only care about baby. Cook picked two eyes. Really? Boy, really? I was also so happy when baby came, but now I hate him so much. One day I will throw him out of my house. Cook, maybe your baby is bad, but Cookie's baby is so good. He won't snatch Cookie's appa, dada, Uni and Minnie. Boy, all the babies are bad. You will know soon. Meanwhile, with Jimin, baby was sleeping and Jimin was making this piece in wardrobe for baby. Jin came there with her bag. Jin looked at the baby. Oh, so he is sleeping. Minnie, what are you doing there? Come here, I brought something for you. Jimin went to him. I'm making a space in wardrobe for baby's stuff. See, young, I forgot to buy new clothes and toys for him. I think we have to go on shopping. Jin, we don't need to go anywhere. Give him a bag. See what I brought for you. Jimin opened the bag, clothes and toys. Wow, it's so cute and soft. Jin, it's cookies and now it's our Jimmy's. Jimin, it's cookies clothes, Yang. How can I use them? Jin, in his starting months, baby should wear old and used clothes. Jimin, but why? Jin, because baby's skin are very delicate and sensitive. New clothes can cut their skin and can become the reason of allergy. But old and used clothes are softer because it already washed so many times and it comfortable for baby. That's why I still keep Cookie's childhood clothes safely. Now use them only. I already washed them. Our Jimmy will look so cute in his Cookie Hunky's clothes. Jimin, thank you so much, Yang. What will I do if you aren't there? Jin, why would I not here? I'm only sharing my experience. Now sleep for sometimes because he won't let you sleep whole night. Left. Time skipped in the evening. Cookie wasn't happy because Jimmy was wearing his clothes. He completed his homework. Now it's his time to play with Yoongi. So he brought the ball and went to Yoongi. Cook, Uni, let's go and play. Cookie completed his all the homework. Yoongi, without looking at him. Not now, Cookie. See, I'm playing with Jimmy. He is weak right now. Let me play with him, otherwise he will sleep again. Come, you also play with him. Cook angrily. No, I don't wanna play with him. Uni plays. Cookie can play alone too. Yoongi, okay, have fun. Time skipped at night. Cookie came to Yunmin's room to sleep with them as he usually sleep with them, but he swore Jimin already slept with Jimmy. He felt hurt because it was his place. He was sleeping while hugging Jimin. Yoongi, Cookie, what happened? Cook looked at Jimmy. Why is he sleeping with Minnie? Yoongi looked at Jimin and Jimmy. What do you mean by this? He is our baby, so it's obvious for him to sleep with us. Cook, no, only Cookie is your baby. Only Cookie can sleep with Yuni and Minnie. Yesterday, Cookie went to Appa and Dada because it was his first day. But now Cookie won't go. Tell him to go. Cookie will sleep here. Yoongi, Cookie, please try to understand. It can't possible. Now Cookie can't sleep with us. Cookie is a big boy. Cookie became hungry. Now Cookie should sleep in his room. Cook, but Yoongi, no, but Cookie, right now I'm very tired. I wanna sleep. Now go to Hyang or your room. Cook ran from there with teary eyes. Yoongi was tired, so he didn't notice. Cook came to living room and hugged his bunny Percy and started crying while talking with him. Cook, he was right. After Jimmy came, they all forget me. Babies are bad. They snatched on everything. Cookie also hate baby. He snatched Cookie's Minnie and Juni. Cookie hates Jimmy. He slept while crying hard. After few minutes, Namjoon came there while searching Cookie and took him in their room. Time skipped after few days. Few days passed. Cookie, who was so cheerful and pretty, became completely silent. He doesn't say anything to anyone. He doesn't demand for anything. He started sleeping in his room. He made distance from everyone, which didn't get unnoticed by Namjoon and Yunmin. They all were worried for him. They tried to ask from him, but he didn't say anything. One day, they all heard him when he was crying in front of his bunny Percy and realized unintentionally they ignored their little baby and hurt him so much. So today they decided to talk with him and understand that there is nothing like his thought. They all are still love him. June, Cookie, you know baby, in childhood I hate Yoongi a lot. Cook looked at him with big two eyes. Yuni so good. Why did Tata hate him? June, because he always ate my share of food. Yoongi, but I never hate you. I always wore your old and used clothes. June, because you are younger, you should have used my things. Yoongi, Cookie, you know, Hank were very bad in childhood. He pulled my leg and dropped me on floor. I cried a lot. Cook, Dada is bad things. Yuni was hurt. You shouldn't do that. June, I know that, but at that time I was in your age and Yoongi was only 2 years old. He always stayed with Oma and Appa. I didn't like that. I just wanna get rid away from him. Cook, but it wasn't Yuni's fault na. Yuni was a baby. Yuni needs more love and attention than Tata. Tata was a big boy. Tata should understand. Yoongi, see, our Cookie is this much intelligent, but your Tata are dumb. You hate me without any reason. June, yeah, I'm sorry for that, but at that time I was jealous and insecure. Jin pulled Cookie on his lap. Cookie, we know you hate Jimmy and don't want him to live here, but just see him how cute and innocent he is. He didn't snatch anything from you. Just he is so small. He needs our love and attention more. I know you must be thinking that we neglect you, but it's nothing like this. We'll never neglect you. How can we neglect our first baby? Jimmy didn't snatch anything. In fact, he gave you a new relation. Now you became hungry. Now you have the responsibilities too. Your younger brother's responsibility. You should teach him things. When he started walking and talking, then he will play with you. Jimin, Cookie, he will call you Hangi. Don't you wanna listen this? Don't you wanna play with him? He's so small na. He sleeps whole day and awake whole night. That's why we didn't let you sleep with him. Cookie has school na. Cookie can't take up whole night. When he will grow little more, then he will learn things. Please don't hate him. Cook looked at him with teary eyes. So Minnie still loves Cookie? Jimin wiped his tears. Of course Minnie does. Jin, Cookie, you stay with Minnie and Uni all the time, so it means you only love Minnie and Uni. Don't you love your Appa and Dada? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie loves Appa and Dada a lot. June, same as we love Cookie a lot and we want Cookie loves Jimmy too. Cook held his ears by his hands. Jimmy, Cookie Charlie, please forgive your Cookie Hangi. Cookie will become best Hangi. Cookie promise. Yoongi wiped his tears. We all know that. Now smile. No more cry, okay? Cook showed him his funny smile. Utti. They all hugged Cookie, including Jimmy too. That's good that they realized and noticed Cookie's changed behavior early and made him understand. Otherwise, situation will become worse. Intentionally or unintentionally, when younger child born, elder one started getting ignored. At that time, it's very important to assure him or her that he or she is still important. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This was a requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Somewhere we all feel neglected when new person come in the life. Suddenly we have to share the love with that person who was only ours, isn't it? No matter how old we are, we know that person is our own sibling, but still we scared to lose our place. Lots of insecurity is born inside us. In just one night, we became elder. Nobody can understand that feeling until they are in our place. At that time, if children don't get proper love and assurance, then it won't take much time to build the wall between parents and elder child and hatred for younger sibling. By proper love and explanation can solve this difference. This shouldn't be taken more time. The more time you will take, the more difference will create between you two, which sometimes can't be fulfilled. So it should be done at the right time. I hope you all understand the meaning of this story and somewhere relate too. Thank you so much for 5k plus subscribers. It really means a lot for me. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.